Hi, my name is Greg Papay. I'm a partner with Lake Flato Architects in San Antonio, Texas. On this project, like many projects, we had the opportunity to work with Delta Millworks. Delta does a lot of different woods, from virgin sourced woods to thermally modified woods. And in particular on our project, this is actually our home. They provided the Shou-sugi-ban siding with that full gator, that really crinkly, great texture for our house. We used kebony as the underlying wood, and they ran that through their sort of modern process that improves upon that ancient, centuries-old Japanese technique of firing the wood to char the surface and create a lasting finish. Delta's been a fantastic partner for me personally, but also for our office, and we love to continue working with them as we go forward in the future.